Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add section pages in your Shopify account. For this particular task we need to log in into our Shopify store via shopify.com, and once you do that you'll happen to be in your workspace. So this is our workspace so far. Don't worry, it's a trial version, but you will be able to copy everything I do inside of your already paid for account. So let's go and click on online store, which is on left sidebar. Straight away it will load the theme that you are using. I'm using Dawn, maybe you are using something else, but that doesn't actually matter. On the right side at the same column there is a customize option. It's a green dot or green button that you can click on, and all of a sudden you will happen to be in this editor. All we have to do is focus on bottom left part of our screen and click on add section. There is blog post, collage, collapsible content, collection list, contact form, image banner, and many more. I'm using it mostly for videos. It's some kind of like you reach the end of the website, and with some presentation of my other products. So choose wisely and have fun. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.